Hi friends, Kshitij here once again for you. Boost your positivity ratio by 5:1. Boost your positivity ratio 5:1. What is that? Okay, I'll cover. So, our negative thoughts and positive thoughts. When I say negative thoughts, they are long lasting in our brain. Yes or no? Right? And positive thoughts, okay, because they are not life threatening. Okay, so memories which are negative, they are long lasting in our brain. Positive, maybe less. Okay, so what brain scan research? That research says if you see the no word, no word for less than half minute, okay, then your mind release stress chemical. This is research says. Okay, so it releases stress chemical in your brain and your body. Okay, so my dear friends, this thought ratio, now I'm coming to that ratio. If we generate, or if any negative thought come, one negative thought, and if for that negative thought we generate 3 positive thoughts, the ratio is 3:1, right? Let me repeat. The 3:1 ratio means for every single negative thought we have to generate 3 positive thoughts. One of the good technique, or this is the ratio we want to maintain. Okay, let me tell you, if your ratio is 5:1 or 7:1, means for every single negative thought you have 5 positive thoughts or 7 positive thoughts, your relationship or your business will be awesome. Yes friends, and what you do, do an activity, sit for half an hour, 1 hour, and list down what are thoughts, negative and positive thoughts in your mind. Keep writing, and if the ratio is less than 3:1, it means your relations are not good, or your business is not good. Okay, you have to focus on this. Do this exercise and find what is your current ratio. If it is less than 3:1, you are in trouble. Your relations are in trouble. Your business is into trouble. So note down this, or come with this ratio. What is your current ratio? Okay, and focus on create the ratio of 5:1 or 7:1. The more you increase the ratio, the more it is better. Yes friends, this increasing in your ratio will give you a lot of positivity and reflect your daily life. Your success will be yours. So friends, focus on this 5:1 ratio, and this is pattern breaking. Okay, when now one negative thought comes and you have 5 positive thoughts, it means you're breaking the pattern. So break this pattern and create new pattern and create your new positivity ratio and see the benefits. I'm waiting for your comments, benefits of creating this new ratio. Thank you friends. Kshitij.